Good Sunday morning, everybody. Good Sunday morning. Welcome to Sunday with Spirit. For those joining us for the first time, I hope you have your oxygen units ready. We are at Upper Ski Bowl on Mount Shasta. And here is where there's a lot of different labyrinths that you can walk, some picnic tables, and that is Mount Shasta, covered in some clouds this morning, some campers out there, and you can see some of the labyrinths in this flat part. There's like 5 or 6 of them. And as I scroll down, we come to the cards that I pulled. I am using the Angels and Ancestors and Beyond Lemuria deck. The very first card I pulled, which I thought was so appropriate, was the Star Ancestor card. And if we just drop into that energy of who our ancestors are, what are they offering us as elders? What's the message that they want to say to us? I've been getting a lot of ideas and thoughts about allowing other people to control our thoughts and our healing, telling us a story that is not ours. And how do we get out of that? And really, there is not a lot to get out of. Just be in the moment. The second card I pulled is the Shaolin Master. Be graceful in movement and action. And so it's a very calming card. There is no fast movement. There is no fast anything with him. And I love that he has, looks like a little mantid bean, praying mantis on his one hand, and he's got a ball floating above his fist in the other. So what are we creating? What magic can we create with our minds? Especially if we tap into the Star Ancestor energy. The Beyond Lemuria deck, we get balanced forces. And if we drop into this energy of ourselves, we find a balance in it. But if we start listening to outside forces and what they want us to hear, then it becomes lopsided a little bit. And the next card I get is the Sound of the Universe. And when I first got to Mount Shasta, there was a lot of insects buzzing, elementals buzzing around my ears, and I could have gotten upset, and I could have been flicking them away. But I just dropped into, I guess, that Shaolin Master mode and said, this is the light language of nature. And I just let them buzz around my ears. Okay. So there are a few sounds in nature of the universe. And I also think about what is the sound of our ancestors, our star brothers, sisters. What kind of sound will they give us? Will it be a chatter? Will it be a hum? Will it be the inside voice that we hear when we walk around a labyrinth? Will it be other humanoids talking in the background? Let's just walk a little bit around this labyrinth. See what else we have over here. However these lay out, it's so peaceful. All right, well, this is going to be a short one because I'm not sure how quick it'll upload. Thank you for being here on this Sunday with Spirit. Some guy brought his bicycle up. Yikes. He's got stronger legs and more stamina than I do. Anyway, thank you for being here on this Sunday with Spirit. Peace and love.